Today, I will introduce our paper, Building a Knowledge-Based Dialog System with Text Infilling. In recent years, there's a type of dialog system which we call knowledge-based. In the inference phase, the knowledge-based dialog system first retrieves knowledge relevant to the dialog history from knowledge graph, and then generates responses based on the retrieved knowledge. However, the knowledge-based dialog system sometimes generates responses without using the retrieved knowledge. To solve this problem, we use the text infilling method to generate responses that always include the retrieved knowledge. The proposed method generates responses by filling text on both sides of the retrieved knowledge. Next, I will introduce my proposed method. In the training phase of method, the first step, we retrieve relevant knowledge in the knowledge graph and convert the retrieved knowledge into knowledge encoding. The second step, we convert dialog history to dialog history encoding. The third step, we randomly select the number x and the number y, and then in the target response from the left end, the x words are replaced with masked ones, and from the right end, the y words are replaced with masked ones. And the last step, the knowledge encoding and the dialog history encoding and the masked target encoding are input to language model. The training task is to generate the masked words. Next, in the inference phase, the processing of the retrieved knowledge encoding and the dialog history encoding are the same as in the training phase. After this, the next step, we randomly select one of the retrieved knowledge, and then randomly add x and y masked tokens to both sides of the selected knowledge. The last step, the knowledge encoding and the dialog history encoding and the masked target encoding are input to language model. The language model generates two parts of the masked words and then replaces the masked tokens. And this is the output response of the method. Next, in the experiment, we compared the dialog system with generation-based, knowledge-based, and ours. The generation-based is a dialog system without knowledge. So, in automatic evaluation, our method achieves the highest scores in the correctness index, blue and NIST. And in human evaluation, our method achieved the highest scores in the informativeness index here. And finally, this is our conclusion, and thanks for listening.